Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm unboxing and installing a single-point water heater, the Panasonic Water Heater with model number DH-3PL1. Before we dive in, just a quick safety reminder. Please note that electrical installations can be dangerous. If you're not confident about your skills around electrical works, consider hiring a professional. Some water heaters being sold offer free installation, so go ahead and grab that offer. That being said, let's get into it. The initial step in this process is to ensure that the main switch or breaker is turned off. Luckily, in this household, there's already an outlet provision for the water heater, complete with a separate breaker. However, if your residence doesn't have this provision in place, you may need to enlist the services of an electrician to install a dedicated breaker and outlet for the water heater. This is a crucial safety measure and ensures that your water heater functions as efficiently and safely as possible. Here in the video, I'm installing an outlet for a 3-prong plug. While common electrical appliances here in the Philippines only use 2 prongs or terminals, this water heater requires earthing or grounding as a safety measure. It is usually connected to the rounded middle prong. This is very important since water heaters have the potential risk of water leakage, which can result in an electric shock. After installing the outlet, I can now return to the main switch panel to temporarily turn on the breaker for the water heater. Then, I check the outlet to confirm that power is now supplied to it. After testing, I go back and turn off the breaker for now. Alright, let's see what's inside the box of the Panasonic DH-3PL1 shower water heater. As I open it up, I find the main unit securely packed along with necessary accessories. Here we have the shower hose, the shower head, other fittings, and the main unit itself. We also have here the instruction manual and some other paperwork. I also went ahead and bought a longer flexible hose, an AC cord, and a ground wire. To prepare for installation, I opened up the unit by removing a small screw at the bottom and lifting up the control dials. By removing the front panel, I gained access to the 4 screw holes for wall mounting and the electrical terminals where the live, neutral, and ground wires connect. I also had the opportunity to inspect the internal components of the unit for defects or loose parts. For complete information about the internal components and functions, please refer to the instruction manual. By using a self-leveling laser tool, I ensured precise horizontal and vertical alignment of the unit as I marked the mounting screw holes on the wall. You can also opt for a spirit level tool or even the level tool now common in smartphones to properly align the unit on the wall. After marking, I proceeded to drill the holes using a hammer drill. Then inserted anchors into each hole. Next, I turned off the shower valve, removed the stock shower head, and replaced it with a one-way angle valve. Following that, I attached the flexible hose to the angle valve. With the water line ready, I proceeded to mount the water heater unit on the wall with the provided screws. Then, I carefully connected the flexible hose to the water inlet valve. Hand tightened the plastic fittings and shower head to prevent damage to the threads. After attaching the shower hose to the outlet side of the water heater, I conducted a quick leak test, and everything appeared to be in order. I nearly forgot to install the shower head mount earlier, so I drilled 2 additional holes for it and secured it in place. And this is how it looks so far. Moving on to the electrical aspect, I began by connecting the AC cord and ground wire to the 3-prong plug. Subsequently, I connected the other end of the AC cord and ground wire to the live, neutral, and ground terminals in the water heater unit. It's important to note that there is even a reminder on the ground terminal that the unit must be grounded or earthed. This means it must be connected to a low resistance wire serving as a path for leakage current or fault current to protect the user from electric shock. Alright, so with the electrical connections in place, I can now turn on the breaker and test the water heater. I'll turn on the unit, verify that the indicator light is on, check if the water is warming up, and inspect for leaks as well. Everything appears to be in good order, so I can proceed to reattach the front panel. But before we can call it a day, Let's go through another round of checks. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.